2. This is going to be riveting. Yeah, no, it's terrible. Okay, you ready? We're gonna see if for the first time you can pull the blanket off now, okay?
Okay.
Pull it off.
1, 2, 3. Wow.
Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Did it turn out okay?
Yeah.
Do you really like it?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Hi,
You're welcome, baby girl. Alright, so now we're gonna put your computer together. Because your case is done. Okay? So I'm gonna adjust the camera and we're gonna start, okay?
Hi, camera.
Okay, hang on. Alright, we're going. You ready? So, you're probably gonna need to stand up. I don't know if you can see it down there. Alright, so here's the outside case.
I have to stand up.
Here. You stand on the chair. Try not to wiggle too much so you don't fall, okay?
Can you put the zip on now?
Hold on a minute.
Oh, that's Dustin's.
Yeah, it's in the way.
Roy?
It's in the way.
Roy? Oh, we have to put the zip ties there.
No, not yet. First we gotta get the screws out. Alright, so with this computer, we're probably going to want to install the power supply first, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I think we're going to have to move the floor, okay? Just so you can see everything. 'Cause that's dangerous sitting up here on the table.
I can't see anything.
I know, I'm going to move it. We're going to move your case to the chair. Put your case in the chair. And now you can see in it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Now let's rearrange the camera so it can see. Okay, so I'm going to teach you both how to do this at the same time. So we got to put the power supply in first. In this case, it goes up on the top.
Should I be videoing this?
Sure. See the hole up here?
Hold on.
That's where power supply is going to go.
This is the top.
Yeah, so we're going to put the power supply in so that the fan's facing inside the case since there's not a hole in the top. We're going to put it back here. And then we're going to put some screws in it.
A rolly chair is a good idea for this.
It was. I thought so too.
What are you doing, kiddo?
Alright. You want to get the screwdriver?
Mm-hmm.
You want to use the electric one or the regular one?
The plastic one.
We'll grab it.
Oh, I can reach it.
Hang on.
Short people problems.
I'll get it for you. Hang on. Alright.
I want to do
So
that.
it's this button. See the arrow down button? It's that one.
I can do that one.
Hold on, let Daddy.
There you go. Good job.
There you go.
Let's get the other one started.
Don't
Can
push
the
the
camera
button
still see
yet.
it? Kinda. Good job. It's good. It's good. Now line it up. There you go. Keep going. Good job.
Do that one.
We already did that one. Now this one on the bottom.
Fun
Right there.
fact, our toddler's better at using a screwdriver than I am.
A little more. There you go. Good job. So now we need to put the motherboard in.
Motherboard in.
Yeah, this is a little hard, so I'll do it for you, okay?
It's pretty heavy.
We will zip tie in a little bit, baby girl. I know you're excited about your zip ties. I hope this will fit with that power supply right there. I think it will just. I think it will regardless because I'm going to make it fit, but. Good job. Okay,
Okay, that
next one. It'll be down here.
So, this.
Kid, you're not helping me at all. Screw the screw in. You got it?
Can you put the zip ties down and use both of
Yeah,
your hands?
use both hands. It'll be a lot faster. Good job. Oh, hang on. You didn't finish it. Thank you for trying. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to put that in either. It's going to be a tight fit. This heatsink is huge.
Maybe you should. Well, it's too late for that now.
Yep. Should have plugged it in before we did this.
Yeah.
Hindsight.
Hindsight.
Trying to do some amount of cable management along the way, but hard to do. And everything's tied together at the base. Alright, kid, you ready? Where's this go?
Right there.
Right where?
Right there.
You plug it in?
Uh-huh.
Here, plug it in. Right here, child.
No, those guys go.
These guys go down here. This one's going to go right here.
Can you put it down?
That's going to go into the hard drive slot. You want to put the hard drive in now? Hard
I
drive.
forgot we found her one.
We did. Put it right here in front of the thing. Keep it cool.
Hard drive?
The hard drive is where we install the operating system. The operating system is what
This what makes it go.
That's what makes everything work.
Oh.
It's how you're going to get to pbskids.org.
PBSKids.org?
Yeah.
I
Why
didn't know
does
that.
that thing have an Apple logo on it? Can it be used in a Mac?
This actually came from a G4 Mac Pro.
Okay.
Was we
The-
dog?
Was left with me.
Dog.
And the actual machine was dead. But it had a SATA hard drive in it, and it was still good, so
Yeah.
This
salvaged the hard drive. I couldn't
This is the type.
salvage the monitor because the monitor was a Apple Display connector, and at that time you couldn't get
Hold on, baby.
connections to go from, like, it would have been VGA at the time, VGA to Apple Display connector, for less than you could buy a VGA monitor for. So I just tossed it.
Is the Apple 4 that weird one on the swivel base?
So you know the G3,
Yeah.
it was the year after that. Actually, no, it might have been G5 because it was the big metal tank one. One looks like a big tank.
Yeah.
She's not helping us at all.
Nope. She's not gonna understand how to use zip ties either.
Oh no.
Zip
I was hoping.
ties. Let's put zip ties. Zip ties. Dad,
What?
where do the zip ties go?
I'm actually not sure the front connectors are on this one. I don't remember. Those are USB 2.
Huh?
Alright, so what else do we need to do? We got the hard drive in. Are we going to have a picture on the screen now?
Yep.
How?
With the
The video card.
radio card.
Yeah, the video card's got to go in right here. I meant to see what video card this was before I strapped it in. So this is an HD 4670.
Is that the... That's the old one, isn't it?
Yes. It's the one that came in the workstation I'm currently using from my dad.
Oh no, that's one from your dad. That's not too bad then.
It's a 1 gig card. It's not.
No, I was thinking about the other
Terrible.
one. The
Oh,
one that
no,
was in
no,
our
no,
old
no.
streaming PC.
It is not the one from my Pentium 4. No.
Yeah.
Alright, so I got you a DVD drive, but I don't have the cables hooked up yet, okay?
Oh.
Yeah, it's got a screw in it. Rhinoceroses.
Rhinoceroses.
What?
Nothing.
You saying the one what this is?
I was, yes. I was singing that song that you got stuck in my head that won't go away.
Isn't she the best
I
child?
love you, kid. What?
My cat, you too.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Why are you whining?
Because I want to push my door out.
Nope.
Yeah.
We're not starting that right now.
Why? Do you need the zip ties now, Daddy?
I think I'm gonna have to use the zip ties without you, baby. We got too much.
Please. Please, can we do it by ourselves?
Alright, so we probably don't need this one at all.
It's not true on your hand.
Okay, I'll need an IDE cable at some point to get this drive hooked up. I'll need to look up the front panel connectors here. This guy hooks up to the top plug here. Okay, we'll manage that away later. And then the fan on the door uses 4-pin. Good. Alright, what we can do is plug it in and watch all the pretty lights. That's all we can do. Alright, so there's your... Hey, we'll do this at times later, okay? Working with a toddler, everyone. Hey, I need that power cable I think you're sitting on top of. Alright, so. Ready to see it power up? You ready?
Uh-huh.
1, 2. What was that to 2?
3. 7.
No, it's definitely 3, kid. Don't listen to me.
What's happening?
Yay, it worked.
What's happening? What's happening?
Hey, can you do my outro for me? You say, hit like if you liked it.
I liked it.
Use your thumb. Say, hit like if you liked it.
I liked it.
Tell the camera.
I liked it, camera.
Say, leave a comment down below.
I got what's down the well.
That wasn't even close. Try again.
Got what's down the well.
Leave comments down below.
Comments down the well.
And we'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next
That's it,
one.
bye.
Bye-bye.